today is Sunday and Sunday is laundry day. Ay, hindi lang pala Sunday. Sometimes Saturday is also a laundry day. So it's either Saturday or Sunday. Dahil mas mura ang kuryente pagka weekend. So, kaya nandito tayo sa laundry room dahil ako ay maglalaba. This is my second load. Yun, tapos na. Mga pantalon. Those are like jeans, yung nasa washing machine, and my next load would be wool. Kaya medyo marami tayong load kasi nga hindi pwedeng ipagsama yung wool, yung cotton. This is ready. I have to make space sa sampayan namin kasi puno na. So tapos na yung program, will run for 30 minutes. 30 minutes naman? Ano? Close to 40 minutes. We are going to make a banana bread today dahil ang dami naming saging. Look at that. Ang dami naming bananas. So ilan lang ba kailangan namin? So probably we'll need like 3 ripe bananas for the banana bread, and then yung rest I'm going to slice them tapos ilalagay sa Tupperware tapos i-freezer para hindi naman masayang. So yun. I'm just going to get a knife and chopping board. Chopping board. Bigla kaming natambakan ng saging kasi yung iba binili namin, yung rest binigay lang sa amin. So I'm going to start peeling the bananas. Also need Tupperware. Yung Tupperware namin ay nandun. Hindi ko maabot. I'm done peeling and cutting the bananas. So I'm just going to put that in the freezer. What do we need? I have someone here to help me kasi I don't really know how to make banana bread by heart. I'm sure we're going to need a bowl. I think this is enough. Bigger. This one. meron akong kodigo. We need it's 3 medium bananas. You can start peeling that. And mashed. I'm going to heat up the oven to 175 degrees. I prepare natin. Oops. Hindi ko nang nakalimutan. Nagpapainit pala ako ng pan para sa butter. So, prepare ko lang ito. I should butter the loaf pan. The mashed banana is ready. So, we're going to add, what do we add first? Baking soda, like, what did it say? Half a teaspoon. So, right about that, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. So, and then I'm going to stir in the sugar. Sugar, beaten egg, and vanilla extract. How do you open this? Super bango. So, smells so good yung vanilla extract. Bango-bango. And then we're going to mix in the flour. So first, konti-konti lang. Kalimutan ko pala yung butter. It should be mixed in first before all the ingredients. Pero ito na. Pinakahuli. So, pinakahuli ko siyang nailagay instead na pinakauna. The banana bread batter is ready. So, I'm just going to pour it into the loaf pan. So, let's put it in because it's ready. So, We leave it for 50 to 1 hour. Maybe we have to set the time to 50 minutes. So, maghugas tayo ng ating pinagamitang mga bowl. Naririnig ko na ang pag-beep ng oven. So, let's see. Ooh. Look at that. I-try na natin itusok. Meron pang iwan konti. So maybe let's just add another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes pa. Habang naghihintay na maluto ang ating banana bread, gawin ko lang to saglit. This is a voting paper, so kailangan ko lang na bumuto. So, ayan. So, done voting. We're going to send it per post sa tawag dyan, munisipyo dito. So, ito na ang banana bread natin. So, tinanggal ko na siya sa low pan. And, let's try. Sisi. Subukan natin. Sarap. Ganda ng pagka-brown.